Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 36. My name is Walter. We are still working with fraction word problem. Straight, let's go to question number 1. In a test, 7 out of 8 of 120 pupils passed. How many pupils fail? Here we need the number of pupils who failed the test. But when you talk about fraction, the whole number of pupils is equal to 1. We need the number of pupils who failed. But when we talk about fraction, the whole number of pupils is equal to 1. So if we need the fraction of those who fail, we are going to take the whole number of pupils, which is 1, take away 7 out of 8. We will get the fraction of pupils who failed. So, fraction of pupils who failed, this is equal to 1 take away the fraction of pupils who passed, which is 7 over 8. This is equal to 1 is the same as 8 over 8. Take away 7 over 8. Fraction of pupils who failed is equal to 8 take away 7. We get 1 over 8. So the fraction of pupils failed is equal to 1 over 8. Now we need to know 1 over 8 is equal to how many pupils? Number of pupils who failed is equal to 1 over 8 of total number of pupils, which is 120. This is equal to 1 over 8 of means we multiply by total pupils, which is 120. We can simplify here by 8, 1 by 8, we got 15. So the number of pupils who failed, 1 times 15, we get 15. 15 pupils failed the test. Let's go to question number 2. 13 out of 25 of the 600 students at Dadi College are girls. Find the number of boys in that college. In this question, they give us the fraction of girls and the total number of pupils, which are 600 students. Now, we need first to find the fraction of boys. The whole number of students are presented by the whole number 1. So, to get the number of boys, we are going to take 1, take away the fraction of girls. So, fraction of boys is equal to fraction of boys is equal to one whole number, that is total number of student in fraction, take away the fraction of girls, which is 13 out of 25, but 1 is the same as 25 out of 25, take away the fraction of girls, which is 13 out of 25, we are going to get 12 out of 25. This is the fraction of boys. Number of boys is equal to 12 out of 25 of all students, which is 600. We can simplify here. By 25, we get 1. By 25, we get 24. 12 multiplied by 24, this is equal to 288. So the number of boys, there are 288 in that college. Hope you understand these two questions we have done together. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.